Okay, this is a demo of all the features that I could use, all the spatial orientation I could see with my new Viewmaster. Okay, Windows, 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 lots of windows. In different rooms, I could do different things. Walk through some of these things here. Come in here. Watch my Disney Plus.
A girl has been kidnapped.
Can't see intro because it's copyrighted, but you get the point. And I got another one here. Let's see. I don't know why there's no volume with this trailer, but at least you could see the trailer. See the screen, kind of get the gist of it. It's a big screen. Now notice here that I have a big screen TV, but this is much larger. Much larger. And I can make it as big as I want it to go. And that's big, and it's oriented towards my chair, so I don't have to look at the TV at an angle, nor do I have to adjust it. And then I could go in here to the office, and I have my screen here. Oh, I went to sleep, but that's okay because I'll bring it back here. Open it up. Seamless interface with the laptop, which is nice. Make this a little bit bigger here. And as you can see, I could do, for example, video editing or what have you. It's kind of nice to be able to do that really big. So if I have my office space, I could see everything I need to see. Very cool. Got my keyboard that I could see, or if I want, I could eliminate things so I could see Haleakala crater. Very cool, and all of my other windows. Now, let's go back out here. Back out here. It's funny, I can see the other windows, but anyway. Go out here to the dining room. I could look at another window with my pictures. Let's see, let's just do this one here. Full immersion, like I'm inside the photograph. Very nice. Film shoot on Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood. Very neat. Very nice window. And then if I didn't have this window here, for example, you can see outside. Bring that window back. Adjust it. Nice, very nice. And then the last window is over here in the kitchen. Surfing the internet on Safari. Here's one of the videos I made. Let me just fast forward through here. Go through here. Me flying my drone. Move it over. Fourth wall break. Okay, so I can see this. Fast forward a little bit here. Oh, that's me doing a waypoint. Two waypoints. Point of interest would be, okay, you get the point. And if I didn't have this, I could see outdoors of my pool. Very nice. Back to Safari. Adjust the window here. And as you can see, you can make it as big or as small as I want to. And no problem with sunlight coming through the window. Very nice. Alright, nice little demo of the many windows you could have operating at the same time.